Hey, what's up you guys? This is Double T Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cool and very simple website header slash logo for your game clan. Uh, and the game I'm going to specify today is the Counter-Strike source, or maybe Counter-Strike. It depends how you want to use this. And for this you need the Photoshop installed. Doesn't matter what kind of version you use. I prefer the CS3, but again, doesn't matter if you use the CS2, CS, or maybe 8.0, because this works the same on all different machines. And a good size for a website header, according to me, is 900 times 120, and you can leave all the rest of the settings intact and just click OK. Let it make the canvas. And now you have a clean white canvas that is 900 times 120 pixels. And then you're going to start by choosing colors down here. A foreground color I use 6x4, and then the background color is 6x0, which is pitch black. Then you take the gradient tool and click in the radial gradient, and then just drag this across. I do not know what happened right now. Oh, shit. Like that. Ugh. Yeah, don't mind that. I had some different settings in, and then you just drag it across like this and make it look like maybe a lamp or a light is glowing onto that spot, which makes it a little more effectful. The next step is that you need a good font that is specific for your clan, that you feel that this is the type we want. And I use a website called thefont.com. The link will be in the sidebar. And then I choose either the sans serif or the serif. But today I'm going to show you which one I downloaded, which is Harabara. And click download and add it to your system. If you don't know how to do that, please Google it, because I don't have the time to tell you here. The next step is that you going to need a render. And for that you are going to a website which I use for this, which is called Clantemplates.com, up here. And this whole link will be in the sidebar, because you are going to look for this picture. But click on renders, and then you're going to have a lot of different games which have different renders that you can use for this purpose. But we're going to use this one, the Counter-Strike Source Blue, and just right click on it and god damn it, just right click on it and save as, and save it to your desktop or whatever. And I got mine in here, a folder called Design, because I always create folders for different stuff. And then you just drag it, right click it, and open with Adobe Photoshop CS3, or the version that you are using. And then you got the Counter-Strike Source Blue.png file open. And we're going to click on the rectangular marquee tool, and we're just going to mark an area around the cutout by Serenity text, and then just click on delete, so it disappears. And then we have a clean picture here, which we are going to drag into our header. And now it's quite big. You can choose to have just this guy, which is quite big and nice, you know, just as it is, with his coat and stuff like that, which is going to point at your clan name over here. But you can choose to make it smaller, so that both of them are showing. And then you just click in the show transform controls and you just drag it up or down, which way you want it to be. But I just want it to be the original size. I'm going to type in up here 100% and 100%, like that. Apply, damn it. and we're going to use only him over here. And then we're going to make our clan name text. And then you are going to just type in your clan name here. My clan is named clan name. And you go up here and you search for Hara Bara. And you got it like that. And it's over here. And I use the font size 72 PT. I don't know what the PT stands for, and the rest is just left as it is. If you got a different setting than sharp here, then change it. You can change it to smooth also, but I kind of like the sharp setting. And then I'm going to add a little gradient overlay, which is going to make it a little more 3D and a little more effectful. Then you click on gradient overlay on the FX button down here. And then you are going to choose bright white over here, and over here slightly gray, perhaps 6 times A. Click OK, and then you click just between these two arrows here, the slightly gray and the bright white over here, and you just click between them, and it makes a third field for this coloring gradient. And then you just take this little ring over here and drag it to the middle. You can exactly 50%, and you see over here it creates a sharp kind of divider between the white and the gray area, so it doesn't make it like gradient at all. It makes it, white and gray divided. So I'm going to just make it a little bit lower, like that maybe, and we got it on 46%. And click OK, and then we're going to just drop a little shadow on it too, so make it a little bit more effectful. I'm not going to give you the specific settings, because you are going to want to make different type of settings to this. So just play around, and if you are uncertain of anything, just Google, different tutorials on text effects and stuff like that. You're going to have you're going to learn quite a bit. But you can use my setting as well if you want to, because well, you just pause the video and do whatever I do. And here we are, the clan logo / website header. And then we just go into file and save as, and like that on my desktop, and we're going to save it as header and in JPEG format. Click save, maximum, okay, and let's see, and there we are. There we have it, header.jpeg, or JPG as it's named. So this was Double T Tutorials, and please subscribe, rate, and enjoy. And if you got any questions, just well, make a comment, and I will try to help you as good as I can. Bye bye.